Se la pierde, pero no lo ve, porque esto hay que verlo. ¿No te parece? It's a space para reflexionar, to think, to walk, and to think about life and the world, how it's now changing. It's just everybody has to walk and read and sing. Yeah.
And another artist is Hiwa K, who is a Iraqi Kurd who actually walked in the middle of the 90s, also fleeing from the war condition in his in native Iraq, on foot across Turkey, then into Greece, and then ending up for a time being in a town of Patras, where he happened to live in this kind of ceramic pipes that are used for like canalization.
It's an outcome, you know, the refugee crisis is an outcome of what we are all outcome of what late capitalism is producing and what's bringing to us. And it's like, it's also a city like now in Kassel. It's interesting to show it also in Kassel, because you have a very big industry for weapons here, which are producing weapons to other countries. You know, of course, they will not give it to France or to England. They produce it for the Middle East and other poor countries to make the war going, and like the system is profiting from that. So I thought these two issues, they should be linked together. It's a matter of horizontality and verticality. So the vertical elite who has power and money, who is looking from above, and the poor people who are who are victim of that. Yeah. Very nice to meet you. Very nice. No, I really have to apologize. Well, actually, I wanted to make an Airbnb from these rooms. It would have been very nice, but in Germany they don't allow us because of health and safety regulations. So they told us if we see anybody, you will be in trouble. Documenta would be also in trouble. So we had to abandon this idea. Actually,
it was born for this. Documenta.
Very nice to have you here.
It's wonderful. So congratulations and everything. Bye.
Ciao, bye bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
So they began also using humans, the slaves. So it was the transformation of the flesh into a symbol of the state, which is a coin, the face of the king on silver. So I cannot reconstruct this machine, but this machine is different. It's going to print a coin, a different currency, because the energy is not going to be given by animals, or by either animals or slaves. It's going to be given by the people who comes to Documenta. So what's going to be the outcome? So this machine is going to produce a coin, a metallic coin, and for each metallic coin it produces, it's going to go through a sensor which is there, and the sensor is going to detect it, and it's going to create a digital currency, a cryptocurrency, like the Bitcoin. Básicamente yo estoy interesado en cómo el sacrificio funciona como sistema de generación de plusvalía, como sistema de generación de valor. No puede haber valor en economía sin sacrificio. Entonces me interesa hacer como, no sé si decir una especie de mapeo, una especie de reflexión acerca de cómo se crea el valor.